Hi friends, welcome to Answers. So today it is the 77th episode in the science series. So today in science, it is chemistry. So today we're going to discuss about another element of the periodic table, and that element is the element calcium. You may have heard it. It's a pretty important mineral inside our body that is used to build our bones and our teeth so strong because of calcium. Yeah, it's in our milk, kind of. Yeah, it's in many other stuff too, but yeah, we only learn it mainly in milk. Yeah, okay, so let's get started. So calcium, the symbol Ca. Yeah, Ca. So it's the 20th element in the periodic table. Let's just put it in like the box. Calcium. Okay, so now it's a bit more fine, a bit more good. Okay, so calcium, it's a pretty important element in the periodic table and the least massive of the transition metals. Yes, it is the first transition metal in all of the periodic table. Yes, so calcium. So first let's just discuss about the boiling points and the melting points and the densities. Okay, so its standard temperature and pressure, it is just normally a solid. Yes, as it is an alkali earth metal, just an alkali metal, it is very mixable with water and stuff. Yes, so yeah, that means if we take some calcium and put it in water, boom, a very bad reaction happens. Yes, so other alkali earth metals are more worse, but at least alkali metals a bit less worse. Yes, okay, so calcium, so it is pretty reactive if it is found in a pure form. So many people started we used them before many centuries ago. We started to learn about them in the 17th century. We knew that it was a separate chemical element in the 17th century, and finally in the year 1808 it was made pure. Yes, without any other compounds attached to it. It was made a pure element for the first time in 1808. Yeah, that's a pretty long time ago, 2 centuries ago. No one was here is born yet at that time. Yes. Okay. So calcium. So now let's go to the main boiling points. So the melting point of calcium is 1115 Kelvin. 1115 Kelvin. And then the boiling point, the BP, the blood pressure, not to be confused with blood pressure, but it's the boiling point. Yes, it's 17,038 Kelvin. Yeah, it just has a pretty high boiling point. That means the melting point is 1115 Kelvin. That means if the temperature is higher than that, it's pretty much a liquid calcium, very hot. And if it is higher than the boiling point, calcium, we can't see it. It's a gas. Where is it? Where is the calcium which I wanted to put in my milk? Where is it? Oh yeah, it's too hot. I'm living in the sun. Yeah. Okay. So next, the density is Okay. So density is 1.55 grams per cubic centimeter. That means for every cubic centimeter of pure calcium, so the mass of that 1 cubic centimeter pure calcium is 1.155 grams. Yeah, that means it can literally float on water, right? Sink in water because its density is more than water. Yes. So yeah, next let's just go to the uses of calcium, where it is used. Okay. So first let's just divide it from the melting points and stuff. Okay, so the uses of calcium is first, of course, to repair our body, help our body, repair our bones and our teeth, make us strong in our milk. Yeah, so first bones. One reason is bones, make it strong. This is my impression of the strong emoji, because why not? It's pretty bad. Yeah, okay, so the other reason is, guess it? It is used in glass making. Yeah, limestone is used in glass making, or just calcium carbonate, which is the chemical formula for limestone. glass making. Okay, so that means this calcium is also used in the glass which you have in the windows of your house. Yes, that glass, not any other glass, just the transparent glass or the glass used in mirrors. That same glass is made with the help of calcium. The calcium man. Okay. And last and finally, that means there are many other examples, but today for last and finally it is used in metallurgy. That means to fuse some metals and this shape metals to be exact. Metallurgy. Okay. So metallurgy, if you don't know, is just like fusing or shaping metals. So for example, if there's a gate outside your house, it is made through metallurgy. And for metallurgy, calcium is also used for help. Yes. So yeah, metallurgy is pretty important. And calcium is used in that metallurgy only. Yes. So next, the sources of calcium. So first, it is mainly obtained from limestone. We know limestone. It's it's a rock. It's a type of rock. Yes. So chalk. We use chalk sometimes. I have some chalk somewhere here. Wait. A type of limestone. So the chalk is a type of limestone. That means so normally limestone is just calcium carbonate. Yes. So this is a a blackboard here. Yeah, it leaves some traces. So it works. So these separate types have some other compounds mixed in with them. So yeah, that's why there are again types of limestone. Yes, you may have heard them in your science class, for example. Just like how I heard them in my last year science class. Pretty much similar. Yes. So there are again other minerals from which calcium is obtained from, like fluorite. Yes, or gypsy. So yeah, this is for today about calcium. Bye.